chewed breaks the solid food particles, and with the help of the saliva mixes the food, and that will sends to the intestine. In the intestine, small food pipe is there. In the intestine, small food pipe is there. From the stomach, the food passes into a pipe is called small intestine. From the stomach, the food passes into a pipe is called small intestine. From the stomach, the food passes through into a pipe that is called as small intestine. First the food will be goes first stomach, mouth, stomach, and then next intestine. In the intestine, from the stomach, the food passes into a pipe is called small intestine. From the stomach, the food passes through into a small pipe that is called as small intestine. In here, the food mixed with the digestive juices. Here in the small intestine, the food is mixed with the digestive juices. The digestive juice which is present in the stomach. In the stomach, the digestive juice is present. In the stomach, liver and pancreas are there. Those liver and pancreas also help for the digestion process. Liver and the pancreas are also there in the stomach. That will be help for the digestion process. The digested food passes into the blood through the wall of the small intestine. After digesting the food, that will be passed through the blood wall of the small intestine. Whatever the food will be digested in the small intestine, in the stomach, the small intestine is present. With the help of the small intestine, the wall of the small intestine, that will be passes through the blood. The blood will be passes throughout all the body cells. The blood will passes the food through all the body cells. And next are the undigested food particles. Unwanted food. After completing of the digestion process, the undigested food is present. The waste material, the undigested waste material, that will be passes through the large intestine. The large intestine is also a pipe. It's also look like a pipe. See this is the image. Here the salivary gland is present. The food pipe is present. This is the stomach. In the stomach, liver and the pancreas is present. The large intestine and the small intestine. The food, whatever you are consuming the food, that will be whatever you are consuming the food, first that will be goes inside the mouth. Inside the mouth, the salivary glands are there. That salivary glands releases the saliva. With the help of that saliva juice, the food will be mixed and chewed. Then that will be goes inside the food pipe. The food pipe to the stomach. In the stomach, the gastric juice is present. With the help of that gastric juice, the food will be digested, and that will be goes to the large intestine. The wall of the large intestine, here the wall of the large intestine, that wall of the large intestine will sends to the food to the blood. That blood will be passes through food to all the cells of the body, and unwanted food material will be present in that food. That unwanted food material will be goes through the large intestine out. The unwanted food material that will goes out through the large intestine. This is the digestion process. The eating correctly, with the digestion process will happen properly. Correctly means you have to consume, you have to eat a proper food. That's why eating correctly. To stay healthy, eat a balanced diet. To stay healthy, eat a balanced diet. What is meant by balanced diet? Balanced diet means a diet which contains all the essential nutrients. What are the essential nutrients need our body? Proteins, fats, minerals, rough cage. These all proteins, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, rough cage. These are the essential nutrients need our body. So that's why if we consume the balanced diet food means we will maintain our health, our digestion system properly. So that's why maintain a balanced diet and drink 4 to 5 glass of water. The water is very essential for our body. That's why we have to consume a proper balanced diet food and drink water properly. Time. Drink a water between a hour. 1 hour. Leave 1 hour and drink water properly. Otherwise your body system cannot work properly. So you have to maintain a digestive system properly, means in your body we have to consume balanced diet food, and along with the food we have to drink a liquid, water content more. Understand? Second one is fiber. Fiber content food is very important. If you not consume a fiber content food, the constipation problem takes place. Constipation is we cannot go the constipation problems will be happens. That's why the fiber content food is very important for our body. Understand? That's why we have to consume fiber content food. And chewing food is very important. Don't eat the food hurry burry. Urgent ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಊಟನ ಅರ್ಧಮರ್ಧ ಜಿಗಿದಿನೇ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that cannot be digested properly. Digestion ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ that will not help, because the food is breaking. The food will be break means then only the digestion process will takes up properly. If you not chew the properly food means the food cannot digest properly. Then that becomes any irritation to your stomach, that become loose motion or any other problems will be started in your body. That's why the chewing food is very important. Chewing of the food is very important. Next one is don't talk while eating. While eating food, don't talk and don't watch the TV. If you watch the TV more means how much quantity you eat, you can't count. I think you may eat 6 chapatis or 8 chapatis, or you may eat more or you may eat less. That's why don't watch while eating. Don't watch TV and don't talk while eating. Don't do anything while eating. Concentrate only on the lunch plate, only on the lunch, only on the food, and only you have to eat properly. Understand? Don't talk while eating, and eat slowly. Chew the food properly. And eat slowly. While eating, don't talk and don't watch any TVs or anything else, and eat slowly. And eat clean food with your clean hands, and rinse your mouth after eating. Eat a clean food and with your clean hands, and rinse your mouth after eating. ಊಟ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಊಟನ ನೀಟಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿರೋ ಫುಡ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಊಟ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಯಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮುಕ್ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ರಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿನ್ಸ್. And avoid junk food. That will problem for your digestive process. That's why avoid junk food. Eat healthy food. Then only you maintain your body properly. Then only your body work properly. In this lesson, what we are discussed, the digestion of the food. In this lesson, we are discussed what is meant by digestion. Digestion means the breaking the breaking down of the food particle, larger particles into the smaller tiny pieces. That is called as digestion. The digestion process begins. The digestion process starts in the mouth. In the mouth, teeth, saliva, and the tongue is present. With the help of the teeth, the food will be chewed, and with the help of the saliva, the food will be mixed, and with the help of the tongue, the food will be swallowed. Next, intestine, stomach. In the stomach, the gastric juice is present. And gastric juice, small intestine and large intestine is present. The gastric juice help for the digestion of the food, and the small intestine absorb the food and send to the blood. That blood will be passes the food to the all the body cells, and unwanted waste food material that will be excreted through the large intestine. That will goes out to the large intestine. And next is eating correctly. Eating good habit is very essential for our body. If you wanted to maintain proper digestion system and proper health means you have to eat proper balanced diet. Food balanced diet means a diet which contain all the essential nutrients like the carbohydrate, proteins, fats, minerals, rough cage. These are including, we can call it as a balanced diet. Along with the balanced diet, we need a water. Water is also very important for our body. We have to consume 3 to 4 liters of water per day. And the fiber content food is also very important. Otherwise, the constipation problem will be takes place. That's why we have to contain fiber content food. Example, palak, cabbage, bottle gourd. These are the cluster bean. These are the example of the fiber content food. And chewing food is very important. Proper chewing is very important. And also don't talk and don't watch TV or anything else while eating. And eat a clean food and with a clean hands.